Alright, my sister isn't blinking right now, but for some reason, I don't know why, but I keep hearing a clicking sound in the kitchen, but there's no one in the kitchen, and I'll literally show you. Literally, no one is in the kitchen, but I keep hearing a clicking sound somewhere. I don't know where. Wait. Why is that crooked? This is strange. Why is this crooked? That can't be it though. I'm telling you, there's a sound in here that I'm gonna stay silent for a couple minutes and see what happens. Comment down below if you see anything that happens. Because I don't know why. I don't know why it was like that. But I literally heard a sound. I mean, it could be we're in an apartment complex, but I'm telling you. No, that's kids outside. But I heard a sound and I'm waiting to see if that sound comes on. What could make that sound though? I mean, that's fixed, right? I mean, could it be the stove? probably not the refrigerator. I haven't heard anything from there. I mean, it makes a sound when I walk. See, I hear this sound, but I don't know what it is. Everything's kind of playing with my mind. I mean, it could be downstairs. I don't know. Kind of afraid to ask anything. I mean, does it sound like a refrigerator? It could be just because it's an old apartment. See, I keep hearing sounds, but what are they? Well, in any case, if you like this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the light side. That's the sound I hear.